we have given vertices of triangle KLM, and we have to sketch triangle KLM and its image after transformation. We see that point x, y become x negative y. So it means that first coordinates stay the same and we have negative sign before y. So we have here reflection in the x-axis. First coordinate stay the same. The second is multiplied by the negative 1. So this is reflection in the x-axis. And we know that reflection doesn't change the figure. We should get two congruent triangles. So let's first draw xy plane. We have point, so first unit, and we have point K2, 2, so approximately here is K. L is negative 1, 2, this is our L. MM is negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, this is our M. So now we have to connect these 3 points and we have triangle. Next, to find transformation of our triangle, first we will find these 3 characteristical points. So we know that first coordinates stay the same, the second we have to multiply by negative 1. So point K has coordinates 2, 2, so now will be 2, negative 2. X stay the same. This is our x, this is our y. Y I multiply by negative 1, so we have negative 2. Next we have L has coordinates negative 1, 2. So now we will have x the same, y we have to change to negative. We have to multiply by negative 1, so we have negative 1 and we will have negative 2. And M is negative 3, 0, so now we will have negative 3, 0. This is x, this is y. So we have our 3 points after reflection in the x-axis. So now we have first point 2, negative 2. So this is point K prime, let's put. Next L change to negative 1 and negative 2, so we have point L prime, and M stay the same. So we have our triangle. This is our M prime. So we got congruent triangle. Triangle KLM is congruent to triangle K prime A prime M prime. This is my solution.